today I will introduce the pointable 7D hip. This machine has 7 cartridges and each one has 12,000 shots. The 7 cartridges are 1.0 nanometer, 2 nanometer, 3 nanometer, 4.0 nanometer, 6 nanometer, 9 nanometer, 13 nanometer. The 1.0 nanometer can use for eyes, forehead, and 3 nanometer can use for eyes, forehead. The 4.0 nanometer can use for trees, and the 6 nanometer, 9 nanometer, 13 nanometer can use for body like as leg and brain. The 2 nanometer can use for eyes, facial wrinkles.